Hello, good morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. Welcome back to the Bear Show. And today we'll have an unleashing. It's an unleashing yet, yeah. I'm still editing my unboxing and Gunpla showcase. Yeah, some of my Gunplas. Okay, so yeah. So we have here a package. Yep. And I'm so excited that I opened this part of it, and I forgot that I should unleash this with this video. Okay, so without further ado, let's go. Let's unleash this one. And I don't know if it's a Beyblade or a Gunpla, but yeah, it's soft, so maybe it will be a Beyblade. So let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we have here a Beyblade. Yep, it's a Beyblade, and we have two out. Yeah, we have two here. Okay, so let's have first this one. It's a booster pack. Okay, so when you say a booster pack, it doesn't have a launcher and a Reaper. Okay, so yeah. So without further ado, let's see and let's meet here first time in our channel. The Ooh, this is your Beyblade X CX10 Wolf Hunt. Yeah, and this is I think it's a predecessor of the, I forgot what's the, it's another wolf. Yeah, it's a wolf also, which it has that free spinning part at the side, which is, I think it's from the same, no, it's from the UX. I think it's from the UX. On this one already, the Wolf Hand is now on the CX, which is the custom line. Okay, so I think it still have, I don't know, yeah, we will know that, but I don't know if it still have that free spinning. I think it still have, yeah, it's, they don't have to get it, that thing, because that's the characteristic of the wolf kind of Beyblade X characteristic, that it has this Beyblade right here. Okay, so yeah, so that's your wolf hand. And as we know, the owner, or the player for the wolf hand is the mentor of the owner of the dragoon, no, the Dran Brave, oh yeah, or Brave Dran. Okay, so yeah, and also Brave Dran Ghost evolving also, so it has a new form. Maybe it will have new form for that. Okay, so this is it, the CX form, CX10 of our wolf hand. Yeah, that's our first one. And our next one right here is, whoa, this is a great addition to our collection, because it has different forms. And as I saw it on some Beyblade content creators on here in YouTube, they say that you can make 9 forms for this one. But yeah, I don't know how to do it, so maybe we will do it on maybe I will have a different video for that, or yeah, not on the part of the review, because it will be going so long. Yeah, okay, so we have here your, this is your CX09 Soul Eclipse D570 TK. So TK, what is a TK? Yeah, it's a trans point with a kick. Yeah, I think it's a trans point, so you can change height in mid battle. And also, as I said, it has different forms, because your blade can be reversed from the orange part to the blue part right here. And as I know, it is also based on the I think from the Metal Fight. Yeah, from the Metal Fight, or the Metal Fusion Beyblade, which it has another Soul, which is, the name is Soul. I don't know what is the other name for that, but yeah, so it is based on that Beyblade, so that's why it has this kind of gimmicks. Yeah, and the owner are two kids. Yeah, the two persons. So they represent the sun, and I think the moon. But when you say Sol, it's sun. It's the sun. So I think it's all about the sun. But yeah. Oh, even see here. Even the this part right here, the ratchet can be changed. no, it's not a ratchet, it's the assist blade rather. The assist blade can be also reversed so that you can have some other forms. Oh, it's not 9 but 8 forms rather. Yeah. How? Yeah, I'm excited to do that. Experimenting different forms and let's see what will be its performance. But we cannot change the form, especially the trans point. It will just change the height, but it will not change the, I think, the performance of the baby. But it will, maybe you can change the result based on flipping of the blade and the assist blade right here. But yeah, it's very nice, man. I really like it. Yeah. So it's like you will have 8 Beyblades here. And different forms. And this one also, which is the wolf fan. So, oh, it's on a disc ball. Oh yeah, it's in a disc ball bit. So it's nice, man. Because the disc ball is from I saw it first from the Wizard Rad, which is also still a meta today in Beyblade tournaments. Okay, they still use it. That metal rod, that Wizard Rad rather. Okay, so yeah, this is our 2 Beyblade X new, the booster pack, and also this one, the Soul Eclipse, the Wolf Hand F0. Oh, it's 0 F0 60 dB. So 0, it uses 0 ratchet dB or this ball, and this one is your 609 Soul Eclipse D5 70 TK. Yeah, so 5 contact points with 70 in height, and TK, I think it's a trans point kick. Yeah. So, yeah, is it cake? I don't know, but yeah. Okay, so that's it. That's our unleashing of our Beyblades today. And same as usual, they will have a review, an unboxing, a review, a spin test, and a test battle for our next videos. Okay? So for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button for our next videos. Alright? That's it. Thank you and peace out. Bye. Woo. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoo.